Good evening all. Welcome to SS Creation. Now we are going to see how market has performed today and what we can expect tomorrow in the market. And we gave certain calls with respect to stocks yesterday. We will see how they have performed. Kindly do pause the video and read the disclaimers. First we will have a outlook how the market has performed. Let us have a look at our views and we will go ahead and see how market has performed. Yesterday we very clearly told Nifty can gap down 120 points minimum. Same thing has happened. Nifty has gapped down more than 200 points today morning, and we very clearly told first 10 minutes you have to book your profits in both Nifty and Bank Nifty. If you would have done the same thing, approximately 53 points in Nifty and 177 points in Bank Nifty you would have achieved, which is approximately 2650 rupees in Nifty and 4425 rupees in Bank Nifty. With respect to trading, Wipro, it was too much of gap down open. Almost it opened near our sell side target one. So I hope no one would have taken the buy side call. Though the market has gone towards up, that was the first 10 minutes movement which brought the Wipro back to the normal position. But then it started to fall down. And if you would have entered at this particular position, you would have got only 1 rupee and 50 paise as a profit because market ended somewhere around 574.50. So approximately you would have got 300 rupees. Just dial exactly triggered our buy side, sell side, and it went and made a huge profit. It went on, market closed somewhere around 1024. More than 40 points you could have easily made a profit. So 40 into 200. You will open the calculator. So approximately 47 rupees, 9400 rupees in just dial. Now we will go ahead and see the chart. We will change it to a 5 minutes candle. See here, this is the first 5 minutes candle, which is approximately 100 more than 170 points. Low is 35 150 and high is 35 399, approximately 300 points. Wherein even if you would have entered at the market open, you would have made a good profit in the first 5 minutes candle. You could have exited at the first 5 minutes candle itself. This is exactly what I was telling. First 5 minutes 10 minutes candle will be on the buy side. Post that, if you see, after 35 450 it started to fall steeply. Approximately market was, Bank Nifty was bullish around for 1 hour, I guess 5 10 15 20 25 30 35 40, yeah, approximately 1 hour. But our view was to exit at the first 5 to 10 minutes of the candle. So if you would have got 170 points in the first 5 minutes itself, I hope everyone would have exited there only instead of waiting. If you see post this, how much it has gone only 50 points, 49 point something. So that is what, always whenever the market opens too much gap down, there is a possibility of slight recovery in the first 5 to 10 minutes candle. Whatever you achieve in 5 to 10 minutes, more than that there could not be a big turnaround in the positive direction. Then again market will start to slip down. This is a usual procedure which regular traders will follow. That is exactly what I gave you yesterday. Post this, Bank Nifty started to fall down completely and went deep into the ocean. Almost 600 points or something it is down overall today. Same thing with respect to Nifty. If you see, open price is 770. If you would have taken at 770, you could have made easily around 825 830 somewhere. So again, in 5 to 10 minutes candle you could have made a huge profit of more than 2000 rupees. Then with respect to our stock views, this is what first 10-15 minutes candle was a huge runaway. Then post that our call only triggered here somewhere 576, and it has reached for 3 rupees 573, but our target was around 570. So I hope no one would have booked here at this particular point. There is no possibility that you could have booked it here. And at market end, 574.50, which is 1.5 rupees as a profit. Then with respect to Just Dial, this is what I was telling. It opened where it closed on the previous day, and from that position it just continued to go down till the day end. With respect to Bandhan Bank, initial upward movements with respect to Bank Nifty, same thing happened in Bandhan Bank as well. Then post that it reversed, but it did not trigger our sell side either. 306.25. Yeah, it has not triggered our sell side. In the entire day, it was moving in a sideways. There is no trade that has happened in Bandhan Bank. Now we will go ahead and look at what option chains of Nifty and Bank Nifty is going to tell us. Currently, Bank Nifty is trading around 3577. This is the price where Bank Nifty is trading. So we will go ahead and see the option chain. 35,000 straddle if you see. Most of the people are doing 35,000 straddle, and 35,500 to 34,500 is the range which market can be moving. Mostly market will be downwards direction because global clues are also not too supportive to the market. Still, Nasdaq has not opened, US market is not open, but European market is open. If you see, everything is almost 2% down, and today entire Asian market is not too much up either. Probably tomorrow morning, how SGX Nifty opens, that will give us a clue for how market is going to trade tomorrow. But currently, when looking at the option chain, market could be between 35,500 to 35,500 to 34,500, and 35,000 straddle is what people are doing as of now. At least if you see Bank Nifty, people are doing both 35 straddle and 3500 straddle, and lot of call options have been written on the top. But put options are very few. There is not much put options available. Maybe people are doing a spread. Same thing with respect to Nifty. Entire call options are being sold too much, and there is not even half the put rating is being done. If you see here, 55, wherein put rating is only 24. Here 30, and on the other side of 900, it is 50. This is what I'm talking about. Almost only half of the call rating is being available in the put rating. So there is more possibility that market can move downwards. So people has to be careful with their investments. If you are sitting with the good stocks in hand in your portfolio, it is exactly good time. Whenever market goes down, keep adding slowly and steadily all your stocks. Pile up the quantity. Whenever market reverses, you will have a golden opportunity to book huge profit. There is one IPO which is running, and if you see the IPO, 1.9, today is the second day in IPO. Tomorrow there is one more day which is available. If you see here, QIBs 1.97, almost 2 times they have applied. NIIs 12 times they have applied. Retail investors 23 times, approximately 24 times. So this IPO could give us a bumper returns, almost minimum 2x of the returns that you can expect from the Tatva Chintan IPO. And also the PE ratio for this particular IPO is only 46. So it is very much decently valued in terms of valuation. I have applied for 30 IPOs before. I have never got any IPO allotted. So this time I have applied 14 lots in this particular IPO with two of my accounts. Let me see, at least I get one lot allotted. But the probability of you getting allotment is very less, because see here, what this ratio is telling is approximately if you apply 23 to 24 lots, you may get one lot allotted. If you take my case, I have applied for 14 lots. So there my probability of getting allotment, even when I apply 14 lots, is not even 50 percentage, because tomorrow one more day is available. This would definitely go to somewhere around 30x to 40x. If it goes, probability of me getting this allotment is not even 50 percentage, though I have applied for 14 lots. That's all for today, guys. We are not going to have a look at any stock views for today and tomorrow. First, let the market get settled. Let us not take huge risk in the market. SGX Nifty react tomorrow morning, and we let us see how it ends today. According to this situation, there could not be a huge gap up or gap down tomorrow, but we will have to wait and see how US market react and how SGX Nifty react in the opening session of tomorrow. Based on that only we can know how Nifty and Bank Nifty can perform. But as far as this trend goes, Nifty's strong resistance will be around 15,800, and Bank Nifty's strong resistance would be around 35,500 and 35,000 straddle has been done. So approximately 200 points this side and 200 points that side. So this is where the market could be floating between. Let us not be in a hurry to make money from the market. Let us wait and take positions only when we are sure about where the market is going. Till then, if you have a better stocks in your portfolio, this is the time to average it and increase your portfolio strength. So you can make a good profit whenever the market reverses. That's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching the video.